crusty silvers here. 1947 florin. That's, to be honest, one of the crappiest ones I've had in quite a while. But easiest, quickest way to clean them. Get yourself a glass. Get yourself some bicarb. Thump, thump, thump. About that's good. You actually want too much bicarb. Water. Stir it up. It won't dissolve. To be honest, you don't want it to dissolve. You want it to mix up a little bit. So the alkalinity will clean the coin, but what you're going to use is the sediment that sits in the bottom is like an abrasive. And after 24 hours or so, we'll sit them in there, we'll come back, we'll check, we'll give them a rub, see how they go. Here we are 24 hours later. Nice green colour to the bicarb water. We'll try and get the coin out. Oh, bugger. What we want is some bicarb on top. So we'll try and scoop some of that out. Okay. And just gently use the bicarb to rub it in. Very tricky one hand. You can see by the colour of the bicarb, it's taking off all the dirt. So this one was quite bad. So we'll give that one a bit more of a soak and a clean up. But ram's heads came out great. Still got bits of crap on it, but wow, that's almost just from soaking it without even rubbing it. That came out really well. Excuse my fingers. And there it goes. Don't want to go too crazy, but still need a little bit of work, but hell of a lot better than it was. Bicarb, water, and a little bit of rubbing.